How to log in Dadeschool's Student Portal. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. So without any further ado, let's get right into the topic. Open up your Chrome browser and at the top search bar, type in dadeschools.net/student portal. Now you will see this at the first link. Tap open that. At this page, enter your username and password provided by your school. And if you want this to remember your username, then tap on Remember Me and go ahead and tap on Login. You can also use Batch Login QR code to get access to your account. In case you have forgotten your username or your password, go ahead and tap on Forgot Username or Password and get help. If you are new to Dadeschool.net portal, then go ahead and tap on Create an Account to create yourself an account. And that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.